Sorry about that, guys. But they're so cute. Oh my god, they're adorable. And we went there. And there's real waterfalls there, and there's like, it's really good. You guys should go check it out.
You guys are
If
so
you hear
cute.
my family talking in the background, that's probably because there's a lot of noise. And also, I tried my best not to show any of them, but some of them are visible. I'm sorry about that. But it's a wonderful place, as you can see. You should definitely go check it out. Oh, and that's my dad.